Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the add to home screen icon Android phone glitch on Chrome. So if you are trying to add a shortcut to your home screen but the uh, add to home screen options is missing or just won't work on Chrome, you don't need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this Chrome glitch in less than 3 minutes. So first, you need to make sure that your Google Chrome is up to date. You can go to the Play Store and then just search for Chrome. And in here, if you see update, you can just tap on update if available, because the old versions means there are some weird bugs on it. And you can also try to clear the cache. If it's still not working, you can try clearing the Chrome cache by going to the settings on your phone, scroll down, tap on apps, and then in here click on Chrome, this one, and tap on the storage and cache, then just click on clear cache. So, and don't tap on clear data unless needed. That will lock you out from Chrome. And next, you can enable the site to be installed. So make sure the website you are trying to add supports shortcut. Only certain types of web page allows this. So you can just make sure the site that you want to is support the add to home screen options. And here in Chrome, you can also use Chrome menu by tapping on the three dots menu at the top. And if you see install app instead of add to home screen, you can just tap that. It's basically does the same thing. You can also try Chrome Canary or PWA shortcut app. You can try both of that apps for experimental features, or install a PWA shortcut app from the Play Store. And that's it. Your add to home screen should be working again. No more hunting around or broken shortcuts. So hit like if this saved your screen space, subscribe for more Android tips, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.